Hey besties, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I swear when you're like pre-filming, just meaning like that you're like recording multiple videos in a day, and I come in here and I'm like, hey besties, hey besties, hey besties. It's so funny because like, I don't know, it just feels like I've said it so many times, but to me it's just like I've been talking to you guys for hours. So to be like, hey besties in between, because I know like, you know, it's gonna be probably a different day or something when you see it. It's a different video in general. Like, it's just so funny to me. But hey besties, in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys the new Juvia's Place mystery box unboxing. Now, if you guys haven't watched already, I do also have a e.l.f. Cosmetics mystery box unboxing up as well, and I'll link that down below if you guys are interested. But I'm really excited about this box. Let's go ahead and talk about the details before we do jump in. The box is $18. But it's a $45 value, which is really great. And the last video I did, the e.l.f. one, was not that good of savings, besties. It was kind of like maybe like $10 of savings. So this is a really good savings here. So it says right here, what's in the box. Will give you one hint. It's filled with 3 super-sized treats, and they won't be revealed until you receive it, of course. So I'm really excited to jump right in. Ooh, I was just like scrolling down and someone said I won't buy again. I wish they would elaborate, but this was 6 days ago. So that kind of just made me like, ooh, okay, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Mind you, $18, $45 value, that's pretty great. But that scared me because you guys know some brands will, you know, try to get rid of stuff that's not selling. First things first, we have an eyeshadow palette. This is the Olori, I hope I'm saying that right, one eyeshadow palette. Looks like this. Beautiful packaging, beautiful artistry. I am obsessed. Then you go ahead and open. You know what? I think I have one of these. I feel like if this is from the I Live, I Love You collection, then I have this, but I don't think it is. I think I thought for a second that it was. You guys, if you have fake nails, why is it so hard sometimes to open stuff? Like, it's ridiculous. I haven't had fake nails in like 3 years, so I am like struggling, you guys, and let me, slow and steady wins the race. Then we go ahead and open up, and this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure I already know what this palette looks like, but this, oh yeah, this is the color story. I think it's pretty. I think if you like blues, you will obviously be fond of this palette. I personally do really like blues. I like green. I like, you know, all of the neutral shades we get in here. I feel like lately I'm not gravitated towards blues and greens that often. So for me, I feel like I will definitely get my use out of this one. Maybe I'll put it in a giveaway because at 10K I am wanting to do a giveaway for you guys. So maybe I'll put it in the giveaway. I'm not sure though, because like, to be honest, some of these shades are looking right. But let me know what you guys think about this one. I think it's really beautiful, but I wish we would have got a bigger palette. You know, I like the big palettes, but this is cute too. This is cute too for on the go. When you're on the go, and really not when you're on the go, because for me, when I'm on the go, I'm not really trying to do blue eyeshadow. That's more for when I have time, you know what I'm saying? But they are really cute, and again, I just really love the art here. Moving on to the next thing we do have. This is the Tribe Highlighter Volume 2 by Juvias. So this one I feel like is not going to match my skin tone specifically, but at the end of the day, makeup is totally multi-use, so I could put this all over the lids if I wanted. What I realistically probably will do is try to give this away to one of my friends or in the giveaway. If you guys would want this in the giveaway, definitely let me know, but just because I don't think I could get use out of it. definitely would make a really beautiful eyeshadow, but it's so much product in here. Like, it's such a big pan. I want someone to use it for what it's meant for, but it's so cute how the symbol is in there too. Not the symbol, the logo. I think it's so cute, you guys, and I kind of feel like even by just moving it around, you can see it's kind of like reflective. I'm super excited. This is the next item, which is the Nubian Glow Lip Balm, and this is what the packaging of this one is looking like. And it has a squeezy tube. The color comes out like really orange. You see that? Smells really good, kind of like candy-ish. Okay, I like that. So this is probably my favorite thing, which I know probably is like, Lindsay, what? You like the lip balm the most? I do. The eyeshadow palette, usually with eyeshadow palettes, you guys, I am a eyeshadow palette fanatic. So usually if there's a palette out that I really, really want, I will already have my hands on it. I will have already bought it. And because I didn't buy this myself, it just wasn't one that really called out to me. The highlighter, I feel like, is probably super beautiful. Packaging is amazing. It's just obviously not going to fit my skin tone, but that's perfectly fine. At the end of the day, it will make an amazing gift for someone else, and that is something that I love about this channel. If I'm trying something out and it doesn't fit me, or I just, you know, it doesn't really fit my preferences, I can always, you know, share it with others. So that's a really great thing about this job. But I love you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this mystery box. I feel like I definitely enjoyed the e.l.f. one a little bit more, because at the end of the day, I mean, I could have just bought this lip balm myself. I don't know what it's priced at, but at the end of the day, again, I will be able to give some things to you guys, which is great. I really appreciate that I can do that. But I don't know. I feel like more than anything, you guys, the thing that I'm kind of like sad about is the fact that there were only 3 items. Now, again, that's a really good savings, and you can't argue that, you know what I'm saying? But I wasn't excited about a lot of the products. I think, you know, at the end of the day, 3 products, like if you're gonna give 3 products, they need to be the products, you know what I'm saying? I just got done with the e.l.f. one, which was good, but then I also even did the one from Juvia's place, like around Halloween time last year, and I loved that one. So I don't know, I feel like I've tried one from their brand that I liked a little bit more than this, is what I will say. And then I also really loved that Lunar Beauty one that I had done a video on as well, and I really enjoyed that. But ColourPop is always coming out with really good mystery boxes. I'm not saying this is bad, I'm just saying, to me, I feel like with 3 items, the 3 we got, it was a little lackluster, just a little. Just because I have so many amazing Juvia's Place products, y'all, and I'm just thinking in my head, like, what would I put in there? And I definitely know some things that I would put if I could only put 3, but hey, this is just my opinion. And yeah, I love you guys so much. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely comment if you guys have tried this mystery box, if you guys were excited about it, if you guys were disappointed, if you guys felt like there could have been, you know, other products in there, or if you're really, really satisfied. And if you did get it, definitely comment down below what your favorite product in the box was. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye!